How to set primary mouse button to left or right on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. So after click on general management, so click on mouse and trackpad. So after click on mouse and trackpad, so if you want to set mouse and track primary mouse, so you will see primary mouse button is here, so click on primary mouse button. So if you want to set right, so click on side. So if you want to set left, so click on left. So after select left and right, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set primary mouse button to left or right on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.